Thank you very much for coming up for this interview. Now, please tell me about yourself.
My name is Agnes Angelina Lunesi.
Terus,
I come from Maumere. I am 20 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri. Airlines business career. Majoring in being an officer in May 2022.
oke. Sudah?
Sudah, Pak.
Dibaca lagi coba.
My name is Agnes Angelina Lunesi. I come from Maumere.
I come.
I come from Maumere. I'm 20 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines business career, majoring in being an airline officer in May 2022.
Oke. Why should we hire you? Mau pakai bahasa Indonesia atau Inggris?
Bahasa Inggris, Pak.
Oke, good.
Because I have good communication skill.
Because terus
Love to learn a new thing.
love to learn new things.
And I have a good attitude.
Sudah?
Sudah, Pak.
Oke, dibaca lagi.
Because I have good communication skill, love to learn a new things, and
Love to learn new things.
love to learn a new thing.
Nggak ada e-nya.
And I
Nggak ada e-nya. Love to learn new things.
love to learn a new thing.
Nggak ada e-nya.
And
Love to learn new things.
love to learn a new thing.
Nggak ada e-nya. Kok kamu ada new thing? Ini nggak ada e-nya. Love to learn new things.
A new things.
Nggak ada e-nya. Kamu kan selalu bilang new thing. E-nya itu nggak ada. Jadi new things.
A new things.
Ya, ada e-nya lagi.
A new thing.
Nah,
A new
itu ada. Coba ngomong new things.
new thing.
Nah,
A new
nggak ada.
thing.
Ya, nggak ada e-nya.
A new thing.
Ya, ada e-nya lagi itu.
A new thing. A new thing.
Nggak ada e-nya. Jadi dengerin saya. Love to learn new things. Coba dibaca.
Love.
Yang dibaca yang punya saya. Yang ini yang
Ya, Pak. Love to learn a new
nggak ada
thing.
e-nya, nggak ada e-nya. Kamu kan selalu ngomong new
A
thing.
new.
Jadi itu nggak ada e-nya.
A new thing.
Oke.
Ya, Pak.
Ya sudah. Kalau kamu nggak bisa ngomong new thing ini lanjutkan nanti, ya.
A new thing, Pak.
Nggak ada e-nya.
New thing.
Iya, kalau kamu ada e-nya terus.
Ya, Pak. New thing.
Oke, dibaca lagi.
Love to learn new thing and I have good.
Nah, kalau ini ada e-nya. I have
Pak. I have a good attitude.
I have a good attitude.
I have a good attitude.
Why do you want to work at our company?
Working for this company. Working for this company is an honor for everyone, including me, because in my opinion, your company is one of the best airlines in Indonesia.
Oke, ulangi lagi.
Working for this company.
Jadi tambahin because ya. Yang lain di mute dulu ya.
Ya.
Diulangi lagi, Agnes.
Because working for this company is an honor for everyone, including me, because in my opinion, your company is one of the best airlines in Indonesia.
Ya, dibaca lagi.
Working for this company is an honor for one,
For
including
everyone.
everyone, including me, because including me, because in my opinion,
In my
opinion, is one.
In my opinion.
In my opinion.
Yang dibaca yang punya saya ya, Agnes ya.
Ya, Pak. In my opinion, your company is one the best.
Which is one of the best.
Is one of the best airlines in Indonesia.
Bisa menjauh cari tempat yang lebih tenang, Agnes? Katanya itu agak berisik sekali.
Sudah, Pak.
Okay. Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Because being an airline staff, one of my staff on my dream, and it is my dream, and it is with my education background at Aviation School.
Ya, silakan dibaca.
Because being
Being.
because being
Bukan being, being. Itu tulisannya being, tapi bacanya being.
Because being an airline staff, one of my dreams.
Yang dibaca yang punya saya ya.
Ya, Pak.
Tidak perlu lihat catatan lagi, lihat yang di layar saja.
Ya, Pak. Airline staff is one of my dreams, and it fits my educational background. Educational background
perfectly. What is your weakness?
I have problem with English.
Anjeli, tunjukkan pesonamu.
Yang lain tolong di mute dulu ya. Terus?
I will learn from.
Terus? I will learn.
From share a text and YouTube.
Silakan dibaca.
Anjali.
Yang lain tolong di mute dulu ya.
I have problem with my English. To overcome. To overcome a debt. Overcome. A debt I will.
To overcome that.
To overcome that, I will learn from
various
sources, both online and offline.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
I am responsible and disciplined person.
Itu saja.
Ya, Pak.
Silakan dibaca.
My greatest strength is that I am a responsible and disciplined person.
Ya, bukan person, tapi person ya.
Ya.
Okay. How do you manage a complaint?
Listen careful to the company.
Terus?
And report it did manager.
Terus?
Provide I good solution.
silakan dibaca.
I will listen careful to the
Carefully.
complaint.
Carefully.
I will listen carefully to the complaint.
To the complaint.
To the company.
Complaint kok bisa company itu loh.
To the complaint.
To the complaint.
To your company.
Kok bisa company itu loh? Complaint. Jauh banget.
To the complaint report it did.
No.
Manager.
Dengar, ulangi. Dengarkan saya baik-baik.
Ya, Pak.
I will listen carefully to the complaint, report it to the management, then come back to the passenger with the solution. Ya, silakan.
I will listen carefully to the complaint.
Kok ada did itu loh. To the.
To the complaint.
Bukan to the complaint. Ini bacanya the. To the complaint.
To the complaint.
Bukan the.
Complaint.
No, bukan to the. The ini THE ini huruf THE ini dibaca the, bukan je.
Apa, Pak?
The.
Complaint.
Kalau nggak bisa the aja the, tapi bukan je. To the.
The.
Ya.
To the complaint.
Ya, to the complaint.
To the complaint. Report it. Report to it.
Report it.
Report it to the manager.
No.
That.
No, salah.
That.
Dengar saya baca satu kali lagi. Kalau kamu nggak bisa mengulanginya dengan baik, kita berhentikan sampai di nomor ini, ya. Oke, dengerin. I will listen carefully to the complaint, report it to the management, then come back to the passenger with the solution. Silakan.
I will listen careful.
Nah, salah. Diulangi lagi careful. Berhenti sampai di situ. No.
Carefully.
Ya, silakan lanjutkan. Oke.
I will listen carefully to the complaint.
To did lagi. No.
To the complaint.
Sampai nomor 6 ya. Sampai nomor 6. Ya, yang salah nomor 7. Kirimkan WA-nya ke saya.
Ya, Pak. Saya harus ulang lagi.
Jadi kamu sampai 6, nanti kalau ada waktu dilanjutkan untuk nomor 7 dan terakhir ya. Sampai terakhir.
Ya, Pak.
Thank you very much for coming up for this interview, Jonathan. Now please tell me about yourself.
Thank you for the time given to me.
Yes.
My name is Jonathan Umbungedo.
Bentar ya. My name is Jonathan.
Umbungedo.
Hmm?
You can call me Umbu. I am 20 years old. I am from Southwest Sumba.
I am from apa?
Southwest Sumba.
Southeast
Southwest.
Sumba. Southwest Sumba.
Southwest Sumba.
Ya, Sumba mana itu?
Sumba Barat Daya, Pak.
Oke, Sumba Barat Daya. Oke, Southwest Sumba. Very good. Southwest Sumba.
No, I live in Jalan Sumba, Sapakupang.
Now I live in Kupang, itu saja ya. Now
Ya,
I
Pak.
live in Kupang. Oke, terus?
I graduated from Tadikapuri.
From Tadikapuri.
Airlines business career.
Airline business career.
Majoring in being an airlines
airline
officer in July 2022.
In July 2022. Ya, silakan dibaca lagi. Sudah kan ini?
Sudah, Pak.
Dibaca lagi.
My name is Jonathan Umbungedo. You can call me Umbu. I am 20 years old. I am from Southwest Sumba. No, I live in
Ini
Kupang.
dibaca now.
Now I live in Kupang. I graduated from Tadikapuri. Graduated from Tadikapuri. Airlines business career.
Airline.
Majoring. Airlines business
Nggak ada
career.
S-nya. Airline.
Airline business career. Majoring in being an airline office care in July 2022.
Okay. Good. Why should we hire you? Mau pakai bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris?
English, Pak.
Okay. Why should we hire you? Kenapa harus mempekerjakan kamu?
I should hire by you because.
Okay. I should be hired by you because
I am a responsible person and I have good capabilities in speaking.
Okay, I have good communication skills, gitu ya.
Ya, Pak.
Dalam berbicara kan, berarti kan.
Ya, Pak.
Oke, sudah atau masih ada lagi?
Sudah, Pak.
Oke, silakan dibaca.
I should be hired by you because.
I should be hired.
I should be hired by you because I am a responsible person and I have good communication skill.
Yeah, good. Why do you want to work at our company? Sinyal ya. Sinyal ya. Why do you want to work at our company?
I want to work at your company.
Terus?
Because your company is one of the
best
companies of airlines.
Is the one of the best airlines ya. Airlines.
Yeah.
Terus?
And in my opinion, your company.
Because your company, in my opinion, is one of the best airlines in the country. Ya, silakan dibaca. Sudah kan? Ini saja kan?
Sudah, Pak.
Oke, silakan dibaca.
I want to work at your company because your company, in my opinion, is one of the. opinion.
In
In my
opinion.
opinion, is one of the best airlines.
The best.
The best
Bukan
airlines
the
is
best, tapi the best.
the best.
Best, SS, the best.
The best.
The
The best
best. Bukan
airlines in the
nggak dibaca T, tapi dibaca S. Bukan the best, tapi the best.
the best.
Nah,
The best airlines in the
in the country.
country.
Why do you want to be an airline staff?
I want to be an airport staff because
Oh, pengen to be airport staff, bukan airline staff ya? Staf
airline
bandara,
staff.
bukan staf maskapai ya?
Ya, Pak.
Staff.
Staff because it is one of my big.
It is one of apa?
Of my big.
My big.
My big dreams.
Oh, my big dreams.
Ya, Pak.
Yeah. Terus?
Since I was child.
Oh, since I was child ya. Since I was a child. Sudah?
Sudah, Pak.
Silakan dibaca.
I want to be an airport staff because it is one of my big dreams.
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 My big dreams.
Since I was a child.
A child.
A child.
Ya, itu dibaca child ya. Oke.
Ya, Pak.
Good. What is your weakness? Apa kelemahan kamu?
My weakness is I have problems in communication.
In communication. Terus?
To self this.
Apa?
To self this.
Bahasa Indonesia saja dulu. Saya nggak ngerti itu kamu ngomong apa.
Kelemahan saya adalah sering merasa bosan ketika harus mengajarkan sesuatu secara berulang-ulang dalam waktu yang lama.
Tuh, oke. I have problems having to repeat myself many times. In explaining things to my colleague, ya. Colleague. Terus untuk mengatasinya gimana? Untuk mengatasi kelemahan itu gimana?
Saya harus belajar, Pak.
Kan kamu bosan kan? Bosan untuk jelasin berulang-ulang kan? Untuk mengatasinya gimana? Untuk mengatasi kelemahan itu gimana? Kelemahan kamu kan kamu nggak sabaran kan kalau menjelaskan sesuatu selama berkali-kali gitu kan?
Iya, Pak.
Ya, cara mengatasinya bagaimana?
Harus belajar sabar.
Ya, caranya sabar gimana? Oke, dicari dulu bahasa Indonesianya dulu nggak apa-apa. Kalau kamu punya kelemahan, kamu harus mengulang, kamu nggak bisa ngulang-ulang atau menjelaskan sesuatu nggak biasanya bosan mengulang-ulang. Cara menanggulanginya gimana? Dicari dulu ya.
Ya, Pak. Ya, Pak.
Ini saya kirim dulu ke kamu.
Ya, Pak.
Kirim WA-nya. Jadi sampai nomor berapa? Sampai nomor 4 ya. Nomor 5-nya kan belum itu.
Ya, Pak.
Sampai nomor 4. Berikutnya Margareta. dari Kupang 23. Ada tidak Margareta?
Ada, Pak.
Margareta terakhir sampai nomor 4 ya. Berarti sekarang nomor 5 juga ya. Betul kan?
Iya, barusan sampai nomor 4.
Ya, berarti sekarang kita mulai lagi nomor 5 ya. Oke. Saya
Iya.
post. Kita langsung mulai nomor 5 ya. Nomor 5, what is your weakness, Margareta? Atau nomor 4-nya belum? Nomor 4-nya sudah belum?
Ya. Nomor 4-nya sudah, Pak.
Nomor 4-nya sudah, jadi sekarang tinggal nomor 5.
Iya.
Betul, oke. What is your weakness?
I have problems with my communication in English.
Okay. With my English communication skill.
English communication skill.
Terus?
To overcome. To overcome that. I will learn from my friend.
Jangan my friend lah. My friend, teman-temanmu juga sama-sama nggak bisa kok. Temanmu siapa? David Beckham atau? I will learn it from various sources. Various sources, both online and offline ya. Ya, silakan dibaca.
To overcome that.
I have, dibaca semua dong.
I have problem with my English communication.
I have
problems. I have problems with my English communication skill. To overcome that, I will learn it from various sources.
From various.
Various sources, both online and offline.
Yeah, both online and offline. Okay. What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is that I am a good team player.
Good itu apa artinya?
Good.
Ya, baik
maksudnya
itu.
Saya bisa bekerja baik dalam kelompok.
Okay, my greatest strength is that I am a good team player. Terus apa lagi? Saya bisa bekerja dalam kelompok? Atau sudah?
Disiplin.
Okay. I am also discipline.
Reliable. And responsible at work.
Oke. Silakan dibaca.
My greatest strength. My greatest strength is that I am a good team player. I am also disciplined.
I am also disciplined.
Discipline.
Ya, diulang
I am
dong.
also disciplined.
Bukan discipline.
My
discipline.
Discipline. My greatest strength is that I am a good team player. I am also disciplined, reliable. And responsible.
Reliable.
Ya, Pak? Reliable and responsible at work.
How do you manage a complaint?
Listening carefully about the complaint. I will listen to the complaint.
Terus?
Discuss with the management.
Discuss it with the management. Terus?
And give further information to the passenger. Solution.
Ya, silakan dibaca.
I will listen to the complaint carefully, discuss it with
Discuss. Mhm.
Discuss it with the management and come back to the passenger with the solution.
Okay. How much is your expected salary? Berapa gaji yang kamu harapkan?
Regarding salary, I am believe company policy to give salary according to my work.
Gini saja ya. Silakan dibaca.
Oh ya Pak. Regarding salary, I prefer to
ini dibaca
ya, Pak.
prefer.
At. Regarding salary, I prefer to the company's
to trust kurang ya.
policy.
To trust. I prefer.
Regarding salary, I prefer to trust the company's policy.
Policy. Right. Do you have any question?
After this interview, what should I do next? What should I do next?
Okay, good. Kirim WA ke saya akan kirimkan ini. Bentar, mana ya Aris tadi? Okay, thank you very much for coming up for this interview, Aris Kodi. Sudah dipersiapkan ya?
Sudah, Pak.
Jawabannya, oke, good. Now please tell me about yourself, Aris.
My name is Aris Kadibone.
My name is Aris Kadi. Terus?
I live in Kupang.
Yep.
I am 21 years old.
Terus?
I graduated from Tadikapuri. Airline business career. Majoring in being. Airline staff in November 2022.
In November
2022.
Sudah?
Bapak.
Silakan dibaca lagi.
My name is Aris Kadibone. I live in Kupang. I am 21 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri, Ireland business career, majoring in being. Being airline staff in November 2022. And airline staff in November 2022.
Okay. Why should we hire you? Mau bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Oke, silakan.
Karena saya memiliki kemampuan dan keterampilan untuk bekerja di perusahaan ini.
Pakai match with atau match saja ya. Sebentar.
Tertan belum gampang.
Match with or to. Wait.
Belum gambar itu tertampil, Bang.
Ya, bentar. Saya mencari kata yang tepat. Pakainya match with atau match to. Bentar, ya. Oke. Jadi match. Ya. Match the criteria your company is looking for. Ya, silakan dibaca.
Because I have the skill and ability, the match,
Abilities
abilities, the match,
that match.
the match,
That match.
the match,
That
the
match.
match,
That match.
the match, the
Jangan the match. Jangan malas bacanya. That match.
that match,
That match. Ada
the
C-nya
match,
ini.
that match, the criteria your company is looking for.
Why do you want to work at our company?
Karena saya memiliki kemampuan untuk bekerja di bidang staf bandara.
Ya, salah itu. Salah. Jadi kalau begini, ini sudah sering saya sampaikan. Mengapa kamu ingin bekerja di perusahaan kami? Alasannya adalah perusahaan. Perusahaan itu yang menjadi alasan. Ya. Perusahaannya itu kenapa kok sampai kamu pengen kerja? Nah, kalau kenapa kamu pengen jadi staf bandara atau staf maskapai, itu alasannya
Sorry,
adalah,
Pak, tadi nomornya pakai sorry, Pak.
ya,
Karena saya
gimana?
tahu, karena saya tahu perusahaan ini sangat bagus dan memberikan pelayanan yang terbaik bagi penumpang.
Nah, ini kalau kamu hanya menghafal seperti ini, nanti bisa saja pertanyaan dan jawabannya bisa nggak nyambung ya. Jadi kamu
Ya,
tadi
betul.
kan kamu nggak ngerti pertanyaannya berarti. Nah,
Sorry, Pak, salah baca ntar, Pak.
ya, nah ini salah baca seperti ini, pas interview beneran ya nggak bisa, nanti nilai kamu 0 ya kalau jawabannya salah seperti ini. Oke, silakan dibaca.
Because I know this
I know that
I know that this company has I got
has
as I got record it in giving the best service to the best
bukan
service to
the best.
the best service to
Services
to passengers.
Oh, ini orang kerja di bandara bahasa Inggris penumpang aja salah. Passengers ya, bukan passenger. Passengers. Ulangi.
Passengers.
Why do you want to be an airline staff?
Karena saya memiliki kemampuan untuk bekerja di bidang staf bandara.
Ya, silakan dibaca.
Because I believe faith.
Because I believe.
Because I believe I have
the capabilities.
I have the abilities. Capabilities and skill to be able to work as an airline staff.
Okay. What is your weakness?
Kelemahan saya adalah penggunaan bahasa asing yang tidak begitu lancar.
Terus untuk mengatasinya?
Cara mengatasinya dengan belajar dan menjalani kursus.
Okay. Silakan dibaca.
My weakness is my poor.
Okay, my poor.
English proficiency. To overcome
that.
To overcome that, I will learn it for use
from
various sources, both online and offline.
What is your greatest strength?
Saya orang yang bertanggung jawab dan bekerja keras.
Oke. Silakan dibaca.
My greatest strength is that I'm a responsible and hardworking person. And hardworking person.
How do you manage a complaint?
Harus memiliki semangat yang tinggi agar kedepannya bisa dijadikan sebagai pengalaman atau momentum yang sangat berharga.
Salah. Bukan gitu cara menghadapi komplain. Menghandle komplain. Dicari dulu ya. Dicari dulu cara menghadapi komplain gimana. Jawabanmu itu salah. Langsung kirim WA ke saya. Berarti sampai nomor 6 ya. Okay, thank you very much for coming for the interview this morning. Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Asmi Rosatili.
My name is
Asmi Rosantili.
Oh,
You can call me Asmi.
you can call me siapa?
Asmi.
Terus?
I live in Kupang. Now I am 21 years old. I graduating from Tadikapuri Airlines. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines Business Career. Majoring in being an airlines officer in July 2022.
Kapan? Bulan apa?
Official.
Ya,
And
bulan apa?
Julia.
In July
July 20 and 22.
2022. Oke, silakan dibaca lagi.
My name is Asmi Rosantilis. You can call me Asmi. I live in Kupang. Now I am 21 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines Business
Bukan
Career.
airline. Ini dibaca airline.
Airlines Business Career, majoring in being an airlines officer in July 2022.
Apa itu officer?
Official in July 2022.
In July.
In July 20 and 22.
Kalau 20 Pak nggak pakai N. 2022. 2022.
2022.
Ya, dibaca lagi, diulang lagi.
My name is Asmi Rosantelis. You can call me Asmi. I live in Kupang. Now I am 21 years old. I graduated from Tadikapuri Airlines.
Nah, Airlines
Business Career, majoring in being an airlines officer in July 20.
Officer. Udah, kamu berhenti sampai sini. Belajar baca lagi. Yang lain. Nomor 5 tadi kan kesalahan kamu adalah kelemahan dan mengatasinya ya. Oke. Alright. What is your weakness? Apa kelemahan kamu? Pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu nggak apa-apa kalau nggak bisa. Mana ini Jonathan Umbu? Oke, silakan. Apa kelemahan kamu? Di unmute dulu, itu masih di mute.
Kelemahan saya sering merasa bosan ketika harus mengajarkan secara berulang-ulang dalam waktu yang lama.
Terus cara
Untuk
mengatasinya?
mengatasi masalah ini, saya harus berusaha mengubah kelemahan menjadi kekuatan
Iya,
yang
bagaimana
akan membantu
caranya?
saya menjadi
Caranya bagaimana?
menjalani berbagai keadaan
Iya,
di kemudian
caranya
hari.
bagaimana? Caranya. Cara mengatasi kelemahannya gimana? Kan kamu ngomong kamu harus mengubah. Nah, caranya gimana? Belum ketemu ya? Belum ketemu caranya. Oke. Oke. How do you manage a complaint?
I will listen careful to the company.
Oh, careful lagi.
I will listen carefully to the company.
Kok company lagi? belum
To
bisa.
the company. To the company.
Complain kok bisa jadi company? Belum siap kan? Hati lagi cara bacanya. Much for coming up for this interview. Now please tell me about yourself.
My name is Benedictus Karatukan.
Terus?
You can call me Kennedy.
Call me Kennedy. Kennedy or
I
Kennedy?
am Kennedy.
Okay, Kennedy.
I am 19 years old.
Okay.
I come from Flores. I graduated from Kadikapuri Airline Business Career in June 2022.
In June 2022. Silakan dibaca lagi.
My name is Benedictus Karatukan. You can call me Kennedy.
You can.
You can call me Kennedy. I am 19 years old. I am come from Flores. I come from Flores. I graduated from Kadikapuri Airline Business Business Career in Business Career in June 2022.
Why should we hire you? Bagaimana?
Pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu ya, Pak.
Oke. Boleh. Kenapa harus mempekerjakan kamu?
Karena banyak hal yang saya bisa lakukan untuk mengembangkan diri sekaligus mengembangkan perusahaan ini.
Oke. Silakan dibaca.
Because I believe can be a great
Because I believe I can be.
Because I believe I can be a great contributor for these companies further success.
Further. Diulangi
Further
lagi.
success.
Diulangi lagi.
Because I believe in can be a great. I can be a great.
Ulangi.
Because I believe I can be. Because I believe I can be a great contributor for this company's further success. Success.
Okay. Why do you want to work at our company?
Karena saya merasa senang dan sesuai dengan bakat saya. Jika saya bekerja di perusahaan ini.
Salah. Tadi kan sudah saya bilang. Kalau ditanya tentang kenapa bekerja di perusahaan ini sudah berkali-kali. Alasannya adalah perusahaannya, bukan kamunya.
Siapa?
Perusahaan itu kenapa kok kamu sampai pengen bekerja di sini? Apakah karena perusahaannya bagus, perusahaannya itu ya? Jadi
ya,
bukan kamunya, tapi perusahaannya. Ya, oke, berarti sampai nomor 2 ya, Benedictus ya?
Ya, Pak.
Cari lagi. Tanya temennya, bisa lihat video-video yang saya kirimkan itu. Ya?
Siapa?
Itu dimanfaatkan itu. Saya kirim video itu untuk dipelajari. Kalau kamu nggak nonton ya, terus kamu akan mengulang kesalahan terus. Ya? Itu kalau kamu nonton, kamu nggak akan mengulangi kesalahan seperti ini kok. Banyak sekali video-video dari teman-teman kamu yang sebelumnya itu ya.
Siapa?
Oke. Rekam. Okay. I will listen carefully to the complaint and report it to the management and come back to the passenger with the solution. Silakan baca.
I will listen carefully to the complaint and report it.
Report it.
Report it to the manager. Management.
Oke. Dengarkan saya. Saya baca sekali lagi.
Pak.
I will listen carefully to the complaint, then report it to the management and come back to the passenger with the solution. Silakan baca.
I will listen carefully to the complaint and report it.
Then.
Apa, Pak?
Then, ini kan then ini. Sudah saya ganti then. Yang kamu lihat yang mana?
Di sini, Pak.
Ya. Diulangi lagi.
I will listen carefully to complain.
To the complaint. Oke. Ini saya kirimkan ke kamu. Latihan baca.
Ke nomor 8, Pak.
No. Ini dilatih dulu. Kalau ini baca kamu masih salah, ya kamu sampai di situ aja. Mana ini? Agnes mana ini? Kirim ke WA lagi ke saya.
Pak.
Nanti dilihat lagi rekamannya. Jadi ini di catatan saya kamu masih nomor 6. Jadi nanti kalau mengulang lagi nomor 7, lihat lagi rekamannya ya Agnes ya.
Ya, Pak.
Lihat lagi rekamannya, nanti cara bacanya bagaimana. Besok kalau latihan lagi kamu mulainya nomor 7 itu, ya.
Ya, Pak.
Ini saya sebenarnya sangat kecewa dengan kalian seperti ini karena saya mengirimkan banyak video ternyata kamu nggak tonton, ya.